Most people who search how to make money online are already behind, not because they are lazy, but because they have been lied to. If you are a beginner and you have ever felt overwhelmed, confused, or skeptical, this video is for you because I am going to explain this in a way that actually makes sense. Here's the truth most people will not tell you. Making money online is real, but most beginners fail because they start in the wrong place. They chase tactics instead of understanding how money actually moves online. So let me simplify this. At its core, making money online comes down to three things: traffic, an offer, and a system that connects the two. That is it. Every successful online business influencer, affiliate, or brand uses some version of this. The problem is beginners usually try to build everything themselves. They try to create products, they try to build websites, they try to learn ads, funnels, emails, content, and branding all at once, and they burn out. So if you are a beginner, the smartest move is not trying to invent something new. The smartest move is learning how to plug into something that already works. That is where affiliate marketing comes in. Affiliate marketing simply means this: you promote an existing product or service. When someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. No customer support, no product creation, no inventory. And this is why affiliate marketing is one of the most beginner-friendly ways to make money online. Now, here is where most people still mess it up. They think affiliate marketing means spamming links or begging people to buy. That does not work. What actually works is understanding value and attention. Today, attention lives on platforms like YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. People are already scrolling. They are already searching. They already want solutions. Your job is not to convince them. Your job is to show up where they already are. This is why content is so powerful. You do not need to be famous. You do not need to be an expert. You do not even need to show your face. You just need to answer questions. People are already asking questions like, how do I make money online? How do I work from home? How do I replace my job income? When you create content that answers those questions, the platform does the heavy lifting. Now, let us talk about AI, because this is where things change for beginners. AI removes complexity. AI helps you write scripts. AI helps you generate ideas. AI helps you repurpose content. AI helps you move faster with less experience. Instead of spending months learning how to do everything manually, beginners can now focus on execution. And this is why systems matter. A system gives you direction. A system tells you what to post, what to say, and where to send people. Without a system, beginners jump from idea to idea and never build momentum. With a system, you are stacking small actions every day. Now, let me be very clear about something. Making money online is not instant. Anyone telling you it is instant is lying, but it is simple when done correctly. The goal for beginners should not be to get rich fast. The goal should be to build something that grows. Online income compounds. The first month might be quiet. The second month might feel slow, but consistency is what separates people who win from people who quit. Most people quit right before things start working. Now let us talk about mindset, because this matters more than tools. If you treat this like a hobby, it will pay like a hobby. If you treat this like a skill, you are building it will pay like a career. You do not need motivation. You need standards. You need to decide that learning how to make money online is non-negotiable. Not because it is easy, but because freedom is worth it. And this is where mentorship comes in. Mentorship shortens the learning curve. Instead of guessing, you follow a proven path. Instead of wasting time, you focus on what actually works. That is why beginners who succeed almost always have guidance. Now, if you are watching this and thinking, okay, this makes sense, but what do I actually do next? Here is your next step: is to learn from people who are actively doing this at a high level, study systems that already produce results, understand how AI and affiliate marketing work together, and do not overthink it. I have put a link in the description where you can access free training that breaks this down in more detail. It walks through how people are using AI and affiliate marketing together to build online income without creating products or having experience. There is real education in it, and at the end it explains how to go deeper, if that is something you want. No pressure, just information. If you are serious about learning how to make money online, as a beginner, this is the smartest place to start. Check the link in the description, and remember this: your future income is not about luck. It is about learning skills that scale. Stay consistent, stay focused, and I will see you in the next video.